Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a frozen Telegram account. First, let's understand why account get frozen. Telegram may freeze your account if it detects too many messages sent in short time, adding many people to group, sending spam or repeated link, or if other user report to your account. Now here, how to fix it. First, stop all activities on your Telegram account. Do not send messages or join group or even add people while your account is frozen. This helps avoid making the restriction worse. Next, wait patiently. Most Telegram freezes are temporary. They can last for a few hours to a few days depending on the issues. Check your Instagram status, open Telegram and go to the settings. If your account is limited, you may see a message explaining the restrictions. To fix it faster, you can contact Telegram support. Fill out the support form with your phone number, with country code, your email address and a short message explaining the problem. In your message, politely say that your account was frozen by mistake and that you will follow Telegram rules. After submitting the form, wait for Telegram response. They usually reply by an email or automatically restore the account after view. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.